Rosenthal Plumbing has a strong reputation for providing excellent plumbing services in Santa Cruz County, California. Known for their professionalism, reliability, and extensive expertise, Rosenthal Plumbing is highly regarded as a top choice for homeowners and businesses alike. Their comprehensive range of services includes everything from plumbing repairs and drain cleaning to kitchen and bathroom remodeling, making them a versatile and trusted contractor in the area. Are you looking for a plumber near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Plumbing. What is plumbing estimating? Plumbing estimating is the process of calculating the anticipated costs associated with a plumbing project before work begins. This includes assessing the materials, labor, equipment, and any additional expenses that may be required to complete the job. For a company like Rosenthal Plumbing, accurate plumbing estimating is crucial to providing clients with reliable quotes and ensuring that projects are completed within budget. How to find a good plumber? Start by asking for recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have had positive experiences with plumbers in your area. Online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google or Yelp can also provide insights into the reputation and quality of local plumbing services. Rosenthal Plumbing is highly regarded for its expertise, reliability, and customer satisfaction across a range of services, including bathroom and kitchen remodeling, drainage solutions, and water system installations. What is your service area? Our Rosenthal Plumbing serve the following locations: San Jose, Los Angeles, Pedley, Modesto, Fresno, Sacramento, Mira, Loma, San Francisco, Fontana, Rialto, Moreno Valley, San Bernardino, Norco, Redlands, Santa Cruz, California. Where is your Rosenthal Plumbing office located? We are located at 2264 Chanticleer Avenue, Santa Cruz, California 95062, United States. Our phone number is 831-201-6220. Visit our website, https://www.rosenthalplumbing.com/.